do for family. Sorry, Carl!
She's fine. Grandma explodes all the time.
These are going to hurt you, sir.
Darth Jar Jar? Brother. Oh, you call me brother. That's progress.
No, I was mocking the absurdity of the notion. You are nothing to me. Nothing!
Mean.
Fine, destroy the girl first, then Skywalker. Oh, and if Vader ever bothers to show up, destroy him too.
Wait, what? Uncle Luke?
Uncle?
Oh, this just got interesting.